Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you did something that made you uncomfortable? Something that made your heart race, your palms sweat, and your mind scream, "I can't do this." If you're like most people, stepping outside your comfort zone isn't exactly your favorite thing to do. But here's the thing, your comfort zone may feel safe, but it's also where growth goes to stagnate. Today, we're diving deep into the concept of comfort zone challenges. Why do they matter? How do they work? And most importantly, how can they transform your life? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the science behind stepping outside your comfort zone, but also walk away with actionable challenges you can start today to level up your personal and professional life. So, if you're ready to push past your limits and unleash your full potential, stick around. What is the comfort zone? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the comfort zone? The comfort zone is a psychological state where you feel at ease, in control, and free from stress or anxiety. It's the place where your daily routines, habits, and skills thrive. While it's great for maintaining stability, it can also lead to complacency. Staying in your comfort zone too long might mean missing out on opportunities to grow, learn, and experience new things. But why does it feel so hard to step out of it? The answer lies in your brain. Your brain is wired for survival, not necessarily for growth. It perceives anything unfamiliar as a potential threat, triggering your fight or flight response. This is why stepping outside your comfort zone can feel so scary, even if it's something as simple as public speaking or trying a new hobby. Why is stepping out of your comfort zone important? When you step out of your comfort zone, amazing things happen. Let's explore why. 1. Personal growth. When you challenge yourself, you gain new skills and experiences. For example, taking on a public speaking challenge can boost your confidence and improve your communication skills. Growth happens where discomfort begins. 2. Increased resilience. Pushing your boundaries builds mental toughness. You learn how to handle stress, adapt to new situations, and overcome fears. Each small step outside your comfort zone strengthens your ability to face life's bigger challenges. 3. Expanded opportunities. Ever heard the phrase, "Fortune favors the bold"? Stepping outside your comfort zone opens doors you never knew existed. Whether it's networking, career advancement, or personal fulfillment, the best opportunities often lie just beyond your current limits. 4. Enhanced creativity. When you expose yourself to new experiences, your brain forms new neural connections. This fosters creativity and innovation, helping you solve problems in unique and unexpected ways. How to start with comfort zone challenges. Alright, so now that you understand why stepping out of your comfort zone is essential, let's talk about how to do it. Here are some practical steps to get started. 1. Start small. You don't have to go skydiving on day 1. Begin with small, manageable challenges. For instance, if you're shy, start a conversation with a stranger at a coffee shop. Small wins build momentum. 2. Set clear goals. Identify specific areas of your life where you want to grow. Is it public speaking, networking, fitness? Set a clear goal and break it into smaller challenges. 3. Embrace discomfort. Discomfort is a sign that you're growing. Instead of avoiding it, learn to lean into it. Remind yourself that the fear you feel is temporary, but the benefits of pushing through it are long-lasting. 4. Track your progress. Keep a journal or log of your comfort zone challenges. Reflect on what went well, what you learned, and how you felt afterward. This will help you stay motivated and see just how far you've come. 5. Reward yourself. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Rewards reinforce positive behavior and make the process of stepping outside your comfort zone more enjoyable. Comfort zone challenge ideas. If you're ready to take action, here are some fun and impactful challenges to try. Talk to a stranger. Strike up a conversation with someone you don't know. Try something new. Taste a food you've never tried or take a class in a skill you know nothing about. Face a fear. Identify one small fear and tackle it head-on, like speaking up in a meeting or saying yes to something you'd normally decline. Do something alone. Go to a restaurant, movie, or event by yourself. Speak in public. Volunteer to present at work or join a local Toastmasters club. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's progress. Each challenge, no matter how small, is a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. So, are you ready to take the first step outside your comfort zone? Remember, the magic happens where your comfort zone ends. Growth, resilience, and opportunities are all waiting for you just beyond that invisible boundary. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on content that helps you grow. And tell me in the comments, what's one comfort zone challenge you're willing to take on this week? Let's inspire and support each other on this journey of self-discovery. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep challenging yourself to be extraordinary. See you in the next video.